All right, today we're going to talk about the connections from the back of the Proficy 395 controller to the pump. We're going to start with our largest line. It's an 8mm blue line. Goes from the back of the controller here, where it's labeled FM. It's going to wrap all the way around to the pump on the middle fitting. It is the only 8mm fitting in this scenario, so it should be pretty easy to find. Next, we're going to use our FM or FS line. FS is on the back of the controller here. It's going to be a 6mm gray line, and it's going to also attach to the pump. I always like to describe this as the side of the pump versus the middle of the pump. FS side, FM middle. Next, we're going to grab our pinch valve. Our pinch valve is a unique air line. It's connected over here on the side of the controller. We're going to take this interesting fitting here, wrap it around, and it's going to attach to our pinch valve, and it just slides and clicks on. To disconnect this, you want to slide this sleeve down, and it should pull off pretty easily. Last line we're going to connect is our fluid air line. Our fluid air line starts over here on the side of the controller as well, and it connects to the bottom of the hopper here. So I'm going to plug this right into the bottom, and your fluid air is connected.